When a person falls in love, they can sometimes lose their objectivity about the relationship. They may even ignore negative things that they suspect or have discovered about the person they love, especially if they've already made wedding plans. Look out for the following danger signs if you plan to get married soon. Your awareness may help you avoid a marriage filled with pain, shame, and disappointment. Danger sign number 2, spiritual immaturity. Committed Christians value the time they spend in devotional meditation and make church attendance a priority. They also pray and study their Bible on a regular basis. However, a casual Christian considers these things optional. They seldom pray, personal Bible study is a rarity, and they frequently choose social outlets on weekends instead of regular church attendance. If you are a committed Christian who's planning to marry a casual Christian who is unwilling to adopt a more committed lifestyle, their lack of appreciation for spiritual matters will become a point of contention soon after your wedding. You should also monitor how well your intended spouse interacts with others in the church community. If he or she repeatedly makes critical remarks about other Christians and ministry leaders, you should make a mental note of this behavior. This critical attitude may be an indication that your intended spouse is harboring unresolved spiritual issues that need to be addressed.